There are few things more important than tasty, healthy meals when you're living at the campground. A good camping griddle is essential for outdoor cooking to make the perfect breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Griddles add flavor and flair to camping, and you can cook the perfect steak, or enjoy traditional bacon and eggs cooked to perfection. In order to help you make the right choice, we have selected and reviewed some of the best camping grills, which are most recommended by professionals and field experts. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. Blackstone Heavy Duty Grill Station. Blackstone Tabletop Griddle is the perfect portable cooking station for your next camping, hunting, or tailgating adventure. It is lightweight, carry-friendly, and always ready to roll, no prep required. It is ideal for cooking a variety of foods, including hamburgers, fish, hash browns, pancakes, eggs, bacon, veggies, and more. The 267 inches cooking surface can easily feed up to 2 to 4 people. The stainless steel griddle features a powerful gas burner, so the temperature stays nice and hot even after adding a lot of food. Consistent heating ensures that there are no hot or cold spots. Luckily, this flat-top griddle features a rear grease trap that collects all the mess and makes after cooking cleanup a breeze. Number 2. Camp Chef Outdoor Camping Cooking Stove. Camp Chef's stove gives you the ability to prepare anything from bacon and eggs to grilled salmon, or even Dutch oven dinners, all on one stove. This is the go-anywhere, do-anything type of propane stove. Its Explorer is very versatile and can be equipped with many different Camp Chef accessories, from the professional grill box to the Italia Artisan pizza oven. This is also a perfect stove for emergency preparedness because of its portability. This stove is a true outdoor appliance with strong performance capabilities. Number 3. Coghlan's Non-Stick Camp Griddle. It comes with plenty of room to feed the whole family. This is the one indispensable item that comes on every trip. It's light and easy to store, but performs the big job of keeping everyone fed and happy. Wipes clean in an instant. Non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, no matter what was cooked, without fear of messy cleanup once food prep duties have ended. It is dishwasher safe. Number 4. Coleman Gas Camping Grill. You can use a grill and stove at the same time, grilling area and pan. Its pressure control technology provides consistent performance, even in extreme conditions. It offers more efficient cooking with less fuel. Number 5. Flame King Gas Grill. This barbecue and grill station comes with a bracket to mount right onto the side of your motorhome, RV, or trailer, so you can have a cookout wherever you are. This incredibly convenient motorhome-compatible gas grill includes an adjustable flame controller, upper grill deck, and 214 square inches of grilling surface. The hanging rack can also be used as legs to make the grill freestanding, making this versatile grilling station perfect for tailgating and camping.